Hi lovely people, welcome back to another video. So in today's video is going to be very different from what I'm used to doing. I'm going to be showing you guys my quick, easy makeup routine. For those of you who don't know, I'm a corporate bae. I go to the office on some days. So on the days where I have to go in, I need to be up by 5 a.m. out of the house by 5:30, 5:45. So this is my 5-minute wake up routine. My goal when I'm going into the office is not to have a full face beat because I'm too tired and it's too early for that. My goal is to just look awake and look like I'm ready to go to work. So if you want to see how I achieve my 5-minute wake up makeup routine, then please keep watching. So my face is already prepped and primed. I have a little bun action going on. This bun is actually, you know those dirty buns when you should have washed your hair a while ago, and because you don't want to do your wash day routine, you keep bunning it up. That's what this bun is. It's a bunch of filth, so just don't look too deep into the edges. So just for our makeup, I have already prepped my skin. I've done my skincare routine already. If you want to see that video, let me know and I will show you my morning skincare routine. I'm just going to put some Laneige on my lips because my lips are a bit dry as we get into it. Honestly, let me set a timer because when I tell you this is 5 minutes, it is 5 minutes. So let me show you guys. I'm setting a timer right now. This timer to 5 minutes and the clock starts now. Starting with primer, I'm going in with my Milk Hydro Grip. I don't even use foundation in this routine, so I'm not doing too much. Like honestly, sometimes I don't even put the primer, but I mean, I hear primer is good to use on your face as a base, so that's what I'm doing. And then I go straight into concealer. So the concealer I've been liking lately for my work days is the Born to Glow NYX concealer. It's in the shade Warm Honey. So I literally just put that on, dab a little bit down here, and that's literally it. A little bit here, a little bit on my chin. While I'm letting that set, my eyebrows are already done, so I don't need to do too much. I just kind of underline the bottom. And then I will take my beauty blender and I will just go in with my concealer. The shade is not too much lighter than my skin tone because again, I'm not using foundation. And as you can see, it already kind of cleared my bags. It kind of removed the bags and makes me look a little more awake because I had more bags at the beginning of the video. So I've been loving my Rare Beauty in the color Joy. Just putting that on my cheeks. One dab will do it, I promise you. And I use the back of the same beauty blender, as you can tell. I promise it's clean. I literally just dab that on my cheeks just to bring some color back into my face. Do you see that? Oh, come on now. So it's like you did like a full face beat, but you really didn't. You just kind of woke yourself up. So my time says 2 minutes, and guys, we're almost done. Honestly, I can stop here, but because I have some time, why not set the under eye? So I'm just gonna go in with my Huda Beauty. I'm just gonna take a little bit. If you don't want it to be like full coverage, I just go in with a brush and I literally just go in with a brush, wipe the excess and just dab that all over. Yeah, just dab that all over. We're gonna move on to lips. Line the lips. Ooh, not 10 seconds. And then I'm gonna use my CoverGirl 255 Tempting Toffee lipstick on top. I'm basically done, but I love myself a gloss, so I'm definitely gonna take some gloss. Where's my gloss? Okay, I found my gloss. This is my favorite gloss right now. It's the NYX Butter Gloss in Angel Food Cake. So I'm gonna be using my NYX Butter Gloss on top. Cause just look, see, it looks like we did something extreme, but we really didn't. We really didn't. We just woke ourselves up. And sometimes if I want to go the extra mile or if I'm tired, I'll take white liner and I'll literally just put it under my eye, because white liner just opens your eyes a bit more. It gives the illusion of you having a brighter eye or being like more open. So I could do that just to show you. But honestly, I don't always do this. I actually barely do this. It's like a subtle difference. You might not even notice it. But yeah, this is a 5-minute wake up makeup routine. Okay? So I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you use in the morning to wake yourselves up. If you have an early morning, do you use concealer? Do you not use anything? Do you just look flawless every morning when you wake up and have no bags? Let me know as well. And then I will see you in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching.